Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and normally we're talking about how we can make lawns greener and how we can make them healthier. We're kind of going to come at it from the opposite direction this time of year. It is midwinter, and I want to talk to you about why brown is beautiful. So in the wintertime, brown is beautiful, and what we're looking for out of our lawns is very few weeds over the wintertime. And the way we do that is by applying weed preventatives, what we call pre-emergence, that will help us keep the winter weeds out and also the early spring weeds out. Weeds like over the wintertime we're avoiding rescue grass, and then later on poa annua, and then henbit. These are the weeds that we are working on to keep out of the lawns. So we apply those weed preventatives, and then we also apply what are called post-emergence, which means that we're applying products to control weeds that might have already come up. But our main goal during this time of year is to keep the lawn from having all those weeds, so that then as the lawn comes out of dormancy in the springtime, March and April, then it's not having to fight its way through a whole bunch of weeds. And this way it greens up and you have a much prettier lawn. And then that also allows us, by using those weed preventatives, from having to use as many weed control products later on in the year. So it's much better for the lawn, so that we don't have to apply as many weed control products. So as I said, in the wintertime, brown is beautiful, and you can see in these lawns, this is what we've done very, very well this year. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. This is Ken with Village Green, local experience you can trust.